Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to stop showing this number in a red circle that's showing you the amount of unread conversations on Telegram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up your iPhone settings. If you can't find that settings icon among your home screens, you can swipe down, then search for settings, and you can enter settings right from here. After that, you have to enter the notifications, and then you should scroll all the way down until you find the Telegram. Here it is. On that screen you can control Telegram notification settings. There are a bunch of them, but we are looking for that one. It calls badges, and you can simply, by toggling off this switcher, disable showing that number in a red circle at the corner of Telegram app. And then in any time you can go back to the settings and enable this badges feature to continue showing that number. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Telegram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.